tuwang-tuwa ako at nagbunga yung paghihirap ng mga bata. At most especially, nagbunga yung mga pangarap nila.
Naging proud ang lalo sa kanila, naging heroes sila kasi may napatunayan sila as Laloqueños. Nakilala ang lalo dahil sa kanila.
Sa lahat ng blacklight performers of the Niño, do your best dahil alam ko, kayang-kaya natin to. Sama-sama tayo. And with your talents, there's no way but to get it.
You showed us the way. To make our dreams come true, you made us realize that if only we believe, we will achieve. For the chance to inspire you with our God-given talent, allow us to say thank you.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world, what I've been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you. For teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got more than I ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for, thanks to you.
For the opportunity, our hearts are filled with happiness.
That was Blacklight Performers! Welcome back to Showtime, guys!
Galing naman, no? Ang ganda
Alam mo,
ng storya, no?
Hindi biro yung ginagawa nila.